Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to SoftRevz. Today, we're diving into a game changing tool that's perfect for anyone using AI to create content. If you've been creating content with AI, you've probably encountered challenges with AI detection tools. These tools can easily flag AI generated text, making it difficult to use AI without facing restrictions. That's where Tenorshare AI Bypass comes in. It's designed to transform AI-generated text into human-like content, helping you bypass detection with ease. Stick around because I'm going to show you how it works and why it's a must-have tool for students, bloggers, marketers, and more. Tenorshare AI Bypass is an innovative solution that humanizes AI-generated content, making it indistinguishable from text written by a real person. Whether you're a student working on essays, a blogger publishing articles, or a marketer creating ad copy, this tool ensures your AI-generated content remains undetectable by advanced AI detection systems. Tenorshare AI Bypass addresses this challenge by rewriting the content in a way that feels natural, authentic, and completely human. Students can use AI to assist with research papers or essays without worrying about detection. Bloggers can publish AI-generated content confidently, knowing it won't be flagged. Marketers can transform AI-generated marketing copy into content that resonates with your audience and avoids detection. Let's dive into the process to see how this tool transforms AI-generated text. First, we start with a piece of text generated by ChatGPT. To test its authenticity, we'll run it through an AI detection tool. As expected, the text gets flagged as AI generated. Now, we'll use Tenorshare AI Bypass to resolve this issue. Paste the AI generated text into the tool and select one of the three available modes. Fast offers a quick and basic rewrite for immediate use. Balanced adds a touch of creativity, improving the text's overall flow and structure. Ultra Enhanced performs a comprehensive rewrite, making the text undetectable by even the most advanced AI detectors. For this demonstration, we'll choose Ultra Enhanced to achieve the highest level of humanization. After clicking the Humanize button, the tool works its magic and rewrites the text within seconds. Once the humanized text is ready, we'll run it through AI detection tools to verify the results. You can see the difference immediately. The content now reads as fully human-authored and passes all detection tests. One of the standout features of Tenorshare AI Bypass is its ease of use. Additionally, Tenorshare offers a free trial so you can explore its features at no cost. For those who need more advanced functionality, premium plans are available with enhanced capabilities for larger projects. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, share your thoughts or questions in the comments, and subscribe to SoftRevz for more tech tips, tools, and software reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.